We have a selfie pole and a tripod and a remote control all in one. Now this is an update design to their other one that they had out before, but this is actually a lot better. It's stronger. The tripod legs are more sturdy. The way that remote sits in is really nice. And the selfie pole can give you like 4 feet. Like that's a big selfie pole. And it's great for your GoPro, but also your smartphone. And here's why. It comes with this really good mount on it where you can easily bend it back into place to get the angle that you want, but you can easily shoot from landscape to portrait that quickly. Like, look at that. The tripod is nice and stable, and you can have this thing extended all the way out and it will stand up, no problem. I mean, you know, keep your eye on it just in case it's really windy outside. Now the remote is really good too because it can connect to your phone or your GoPro from at least 40 meters away or 130 feet away. You have a record button where you can start and stop your recording and take photos. There's a mode button on here where you can switch between video and photo or other different presets you have on your GoPro. And then you also have a power button on there where you can actually power on and off your GoPro. I also like how it folds down really small, so it's perfect for traveling because it takes up like barely any space. It's a really cool setup and I highly recommend it. Thanks so much for watching.